Today I'm taking the VEVOR vacuum sealer bags. So these are some nice large rolls, looking at 11 inches wide, and with the seal it is about 10 inches wide. It does come with a guide. It says that this can handle negative 24 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, and these are 50-foot rolls. So a lot of material in this little roll. So if we compare that to a normal size roll that comes with one of these machines, it is much larger. This will not even fit inside there. And on top of that, we even got a fuller core on it. So I think you get the idea. We're getting a lot of material here. We're going to make our initial seal. And we do have a good seal on there. Now at this point, you can either take a knife and you can cut out the length that you want. Some vacuum sealing machines like this one actually have a blade built in. So again, we want to put the texture side down, drop that underneath the clips, lock it down, and vacuum seal. Okay, and we've got a nice packed bag. So yeah, these vacuum sealers are awesome, especially for buying big packs of steak, something like that. You want to be able to freeze them individually. The main consumable is, of course, the vacuum sealing material, and with this, we're going to be able to do a whole lot of vacuum sealing. So overall, that is some excellent vacuum sealing material.